In this session, I will explain how to share your MS Word document. So, sharing means you are placing your document in the net, available for others. See, if you place your document in the cloud, then only auto save option also will get enabled. Remember, present it is in off mode. Why? Because you saved your file locally in your local computer. So, I can use this option from here. Share option is available here, and you go to any tab, no problem, anywhere you go, but share will be there in the top corner, top rightmost corner. Okay, you can click on that one and see, to collaborate with others, please save a copy of your file in the online location and change the file type to docx. Already in previous sessions we converted the file to doc, that's why it's asking docx. Okay, anyway, save it to cloud. So immediately it will comes to this area. See, it's asking to save as cloud, or from here also, not from here, here also, from here also you can share it using save as option, and here you can select OneDrive option, or you are having share option here also. See, share with people, save to cloud, again it will comes to save as option. Anyway, in save as option we have OneDrive personal, and previously we saved in the PC or in local browse option. Now select the OneDrive option, and here you have to save to the particular location. See, already previously I saved this MS Office docx, and again MS Office 2 I am giving. So it's asking to save. Okay. Now it is getting saved to the cloud area. Once you saved your document in the cloud means, so remember, while saving your document you must have internet connection, then only you can save to cloud or online. See, now auto save is on. Automatically it will makes auto save option on. Okay, now you need not to save every time. Automatically it will save to the particular area. When you are typing something, see, every time it is saving in online. This is the option available only in the latest version. You need not to save, you need not to press Ctrl S every time. Every time when you are typing something, see, it is saving. And after saving, after finished saving, then it will be in idle mode. Then again if you type something, again it will be in saving mode. And if you want to, you can make it off anytime, and if you want, you can make it on anytime. This option only available when your file is in cloud mode. Okay, cloud means internet mode. Using your email ID, it will save to that particular location. And here we have some more options like email and present online, blog. We can share the file to these areas. For example, email means it will connect to Outlook. Suppose send as attachment, so automatically it opens Outlook area. There you need to configure your Outlook, then you can send mails as attachment with this document. Okay, Outlook and all I will explain in the later sessions after finishing this MS Office Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Outlook you will get after this basic Word, Excel, PowerPoint access course. Okay, I am cancelling this one. You have to set up account in the Outlook to share this one. And you can also share to blog. You can post this one as a blog. See, this also asking register. So if you register, then suppose I am giving register later. Once you register, finally you can make it publish. Publish your post so other can read it. So if you publish your document, anybody can read it from anywhere through net. Okay, that's what publishing in blog. Okay, and I am closing this one. Don't save. Already saved in, see, Edusoft for you, Gmail, something, OneDrive. OneDrive is the location where that is a Microsoft drive in the cloud, in the internet. It enables you to save information in the net, not in the local computer. And likewise, you can also share like present online option. See, present online. See, present the document to the people who can watch it in a browser. No setup required. A link is created to share with the people. Okay, anyone using the link can share. Suppose it is giving error, cannot connect to this service. Check your network connection and try again. Okay, if your network connection is good, see, there is an option enable remote viewers to download this document. This also you can select. And okay, if your net connection is good, you can share it. I am cancelling right now. Okay, like that you can share this information in online using cloud as well as using blog as well as using Outlook as well as using online presentation. These are the options available to share your file to others. Okay,